Hello guys, welcome back to the binary course on Pocket Option. Today is day 10 and we are going to discuss something very real. How economic news affects the market like nothing else. Have you ever looking at the chart and wondered what the hell just happened? Sudden huge spikes, a big candle appearing out of nowhere, like something else is going wrong or right, you're not understanding what's just happening. Well, 9 out of 10 times it's because of news. And today in this lesson I'm going to show you how to read it, how to analyze it, and how we can use it when trading on Pocket Option. So let's get started. See, fundamental analysis is simple. It's not about some fancy indicators or guessing the top or bottom. It's about understanding the reason behind the price move. Interest rates, inflation, employment, central banks, these are the key players behind every price movement. If you know when a news is coming, you can either make a lot of money or lose very big, depending on how you decide to approach it. So let's start with the basics. The economic calendar. If you are not checking this daily, then you are probably trading blind. Go to sites like Forex Factory, MyFXBook or investing.com. This shows you when the news is coming, which currencies are affected, and how strong the impact is going to be. So start yourself by focusing on high impact news. These are usually marked in red and they are the ones capable of shaking the market. Let me break down 3 of the most powerful events for you. First one is the interest rate decisions. When a central bank decides to increase the rate, it usually strengthens the currency. Second one is NFP, which means non-farm payroll, which is actually a big monthly data chunk released by US on a monthly basis, and it usually affects the market with very high volatility. The third one is inflation. Now, inflation means more aggressive policy, which results in more market movement, and factors like GDP, unemployment also results in market actions. For example, if the federal bank raises the interest, that usually results in USD jumping upside, and if NFP, that is non-farm payroll, misses expectation, that usually results in USD going down. Now let me be honest, most of the new traders lose money based on news. Why? Because they try to enter a trade right at the time when a news is getting released, which is when the market is the most unstable. Huge price spikes, spillages, and the word goes around like crazy. You may even notice Pocket Option also lagging for a second. Trust me, that is when you don't want to enter a trade blindly. Here is the rule. Don't enter a trade at the exact moment of the news unless you know exactly what you are doing. Instead, wait for 10 to 15 minutes, let the market react, and then go ahead with the flow, but with absolute confirmation. Let's say that today is NFP day and you are checking the calendar. The release is at 2:30 p.m. GMT. Now you may notice that the market is going wild and crazy and USD is getting stronger by the minute. Now here is what I would advise you to do. You should wait for 10 to 15 minutes until the market settles down, and then you open a trade, but in the direction of the market movement. Now on Pocket Option, I would advise you to open a trade with 2 to 3 minute expiry and with high volume pairs like EUR USD or GBP USD. In this case, you are not gambling, you are reacting with logic, and that is professional behavior. You are here to be professional traders, right? So let's behave like one. Now here are 3 things for you to keep in mind. First one, always check if any big news is scheduled. Don't enter random trades before an NFP release or a Fed speech. Second one, always try to trade with EUR, GBP, USD pairs because these usually reacts very more clearly. Now the third one is very important. Always try this on a demo account before jumping into the real account. Now see how the market reacts and moves when a news is happening on demo first before losing money on your real account. Here is your assignment for today. Go to Forex Factory or investing.com and mark all the red impacted news for the next 3 days and watch what happens on the chart when the news hits real time, and try to enter 1 or 2 trades, but only after the market gets settled down. Do this and make this a habit, and I guarantee you that you will not get surprised by when you see sudden market movements, but you will learn to anticipate them. So that is all for the lesson for our day 10. Now I advise you to go through everything that we discussed today and practice them in real life using your demo account. Take advantage of the demo money and don't forget to like if you found this useful and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts, you can message me in Telegram at any time. I will be there to support you. I will see you in the next lesson very soon. So bye for now.